Hey Bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a gorgeous creamy lip balm. So I'm going to have you make some of it in tubes, but then we're going to put some of it in a pot so we can do something really fun with it in a couple days. Hint, hint. So this lip balm came out of some of my experiments as I was working to develop a basic mold-friendly lipstick base. So this is a lipstick base that I could use in my lipstick mold from TKB Trading, so it needed to be quite firm so that you could pull it out of the mold after you have, added the colors and put it in the mold and then let it set up and freeze it, etc. Has to come out. This one, no. I was working to make the mold creamier. Some of my earlier experiments worked really well, but they weren't creamy enough. So I was working to make it creamier, and I definitely made it creamier, but it was not coming out of the mold at all. So it's kind of a failure as like a mold-friendly lipstick base, but I love the way it felt on my lips, and so I thought, I still need to share this. Now, because this is born out of lipstick-based experiments, it's definitely got a longer ingredient list than your average lip balm. If you would like to make a different lip balm, I have literally dozens of recipes for them on my blog that use fewer ingredients, so I'll throw some links in the description box below if that's sort of more your jam if you don't have a bunch of ingredients. But if you do have these ingredients, you should really make this because it's great, and so is the thing that we're going to be making in a couple days. Something that's unique about this recipe when you compare it to some of my other lip balm recipes is that a lot of the thickening doesn't come from wax. We typically thicken lip balms with things like beeswax and candelilla wax, but this lip balm is mostly thickened with cetearyl alcohol and stearic acid, which are fatty thickeners that give thickness and body and richness, but without waxiness, which is very cool. Stearic acid in particular gives a gorgeous, creamy, slightly kind of grabby texture that I adore in lip products. If you want to know more about the rest of the ingredients in this base and why they're there, please go down to the description box and click through to the blog. I've written it all out there, and there's links so you can learn more about the different ingredients. There's also links so that you know where to buy them, information on substitutions, shelf life, scaling, all kinds of great stuff. So please make sure you're going down to the description box and reading the blog, because it really is like a complementary piece of content. They're not just duplicated things. But yeah, let's go dive in and make this gorgeous lip balm. We'll begin by combining our heated phase ingredients in a small heat-resistant glass measuring cup. You can see there's already something in here. That is our soy lecithin, 2.5 grams of it. It's really, really sticky, so you always kind of lose a bunch of it if you measure it into a cup like this first. So I figured I would just measure it straight into our container and we could start there. So 2.5 grams of soy lecithin. And to that we're going to add 20.25 grams of castor oil, 10 grams of cetearyl alcohol, 2.5 grams stearic acid, 5 grams fractionated coconut oil, 8 grams beeswax, and this is refined, but you could use the unrefined golden variety if that's what you have or what you prefer, and 1.5 grams candelilla wax. To melt this together, I'm going to pop it in a water bath. So this is a small flat-bottomed saucepan that has about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in it, and I'm going to go put this on the stovetop over medium heat to melt everything through. I do find that the candelilla wax takes a while to melt, so I figured this is going to take at least half an hour. Once everything has melted through, you can remove your pan from the heat, and then you can remove your measuring cup from your water bath, and you're done with your water bath. And now we need to add our vitamin E. So I've got my scale here. Pop that on, tare, and we need 1/4 gram. So now I'm going to pour 1 tube of lip balm here, and I'm going to put the rest in a little 1 ounce jar, because I got some cool stuff that we're gonna make with this in the next video and blog post, and I'm pretty excited to share that with you. So make sure you come back in a couple days to see what's up, and remember, you can always subscribe to my emails at humblebeeandme.com, so you'll be notified right away when everything comes out. But yeah, once that sets up, you'll have a gorgeous creamy lip balm and a nice pot of gorgeous creamy lip balm that we will make some other gorgeous creamy lip things with later. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please go down to the description box below and click through to the blog post to get everything in writing, links to all the ingredients, information on scaling, substitution, shelf life, all that good stuff. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.